What's up? Today I have a new puzzle box. As you can see, nothing comes out when you shake it. You can hear something. So, you push this thing. And at the back, you take this out. Put it in here to reward you with a Lego $100 bill. There you go. And now let's get on to the building. So, the next part is this. So you're going to take a 6x8 plate and put it with tiles. Like so. Pause the video right now to build this. So next up we need the second part. And then you need an 8x1 plate, and then put it with tiles. Just put tiles on it, like so. Oops. Okay, now for the next part. Then take a 2x4 plate and put in a $100 bill on it, and then a 1x4 tile. So, next, you're gonna take this 1x4 and place 1x2 tiles around it. So pause the video here to build. So next, once you have all two of these, place it like so. And you have your $100 bill holder thingy. So next, you're going to have to take a 6x8 plate in light gray and a 2x8 plate and a 4x8 plate and a 2x8 plate. I'm using two 2x4s, and yeah, pause the video here to build. And yeah, so next, you're going to take a 1x2 brick and take this and put it like so. Then take another one and place it on the other side. Then, put it on the bottom. Put these two on the bottom, like so. Then, take your 2x4. So take your 2x4 brick and place one like so. Then take another one and place it on the opposite side, like so. Then take your two 1x1 gray bricks and place them like so. So now, let's put all of our build together. Okay, so now that you've built, this part, you're gonna take this part and sort of line it up and push it together. Then take your money holder and put it inside. There, and push it in with this if you need to. Then, take this and place it inside the hole over there. So, here you have it, your Lego puzzle box. I'm going to be calling it the puzzle box v34 because I like that name. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you can build this I'll see you next time.